What is something about which you have changed your mind in recent years?
Oh, I've changed my mind about a lot of things. In fact, I give a whole talk about changing your mind because I think that mind changing, instead of being, leading to accusations of flip-flopping and inconsistency, I think that mind changing is the metric of, reconsidering your own attitudes and really approaching things openly. And it's very hard for humans to do. We are wired to make decisions with our gut, and our guts don't change very much. I go out in the world actively trying to find occasions to change my mind. And even when you do that, it's hard. And I have given talks in front of hundreds or occasionally thousands of people. And I will ask them, when was the last time you changed your mind? Think about the last year. An issue of substance, not chicken or fish. There's something you took a stand on, you talked to your family about. Raise your hand if you can tell me an issue in the last year that you changed your mind about. And in a room of hundreds or possibly thousands of people, I will get this smattering of hands, only a few. And there is no epidemic of mind changing going on, yet we all go out in the world anticipating that we can change other people's minds.
Please enjoy this conversation with my friend, Tamar Haspel.